Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 5, Section 2, number 22, which reads, in 1875, Tweed escaped from jail and fled Spain and unwittingly brought about one final pinnacle for the power of political cartoons. And then it goes on to say, but as far as the context, we've got enough context in order to answer our question. Very common is a diction question. Diction's checking word choice. And a lot of times there's these subtle differences between words, very small differences between words that you have to distinguish between in order to get these answers correct. These are not the most learnable, unless you're going to memorize the dictionary, your time's better spent elsewhere. So don't spend a ton of time on diction questions because they're so random unless it's something common that's commonly confused, like then versus than or affect versus effect. So anyway, would it be one final pinnacle for political cartoons? Well, the pinnacle is the most successful point. And when we say one final pinnacle, you wouldn't say one final most successful point. There's only one most successful point. So A is gone. Look at triumph. One final triumph for the power of political cartoons. That actually works because a triumph is a great victory. So if there could be several great victories before, this is one final great victory for the power of political cartoons, and ultimately Tweed's sent back to jail. So why not culmination? Well, culmination is the high point, the highest point, especially after a long time of like working at something or whatever. So culmination wouldn't fit because, again, there can't be more than one highest point. And then why not apex? Apex is also the highest point or the climax, and you can't say one final highest point. There's only, by the definition of high, there's only one highest point. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble with diction questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our short video on TikTok. Have a great day.